In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. GitHub is a fantastic platform for sharing code, and many developers post their projects there. Sometimes you might want to download an entire project for use, or maybe you just want specific files to experiment with. Here's how to do it step by step. First, you need to open the repository that contains the files you want to download. To do this, just go to your favorite web browser and type in the URL of the repository or search for it using GitHub's search feature. Once you're on the repository page, you'll see all the files and folders that are part of that project. Now, let's move to the next step. Look for the green button labeled Code, located near the top right corner of the file list. This button might be easy to miss if you're focusing on the files, but it's essential for downloading. Go ahead and click on that green Code button. A drop-down menu will appear with a few different options. From that drop-down menu, you want to select Download Zip. This option will package all of the files in the repository into a single zip file. Simply click on it, and your download will begin. It's worth noting that the time it takes to download will depend on the size of the repository, but you'll see a progress indicator in your web browser. Once the zip file has finished downloading, it's time to access it. Most web browsers will save downloaded files to a folder, usually named Downloads. So go ahead and navigate to that folder on your computer. Once you're there, you should see the zip file that you just downloaded. It might be named after the repository, but it will have a zip extension. Now it's time to extract those files. To do that, right-click on the zip file. A menu will pop up, and you should look for an option that says Extract All. If you have another unzipping tool you prefer, you can use that instead. But for simplicity, Extract All works perfectly. Click that option, and a window will pop up asking where you want to extract the files. You can keep the default location or choose a different one if you wish. Once you've made your selection, click on the Extract button. After a few moments, depending on the size of the project, the extraction process will complete. You can now open the folder that you just extracted. Inside, you will find all the project files, which might include source code, documentation, or other necessary components related to the repository. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and extracted files from a GitHub repository. Feel free to open, edit, or use these files for your own projects or learning purposes. Just remember that if you're going to share or make changes, check the licensing information provided in the repository to ensure you comply with any usage terms. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video